Hey, what is up? Sling Poo right at you with another unboxing. And today I'm unboxing another 15 days of socks. And this one is the Harry Potter one. Quidditch. That's the team Quidditch, property of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. This one also has 4 pairs of crew socks and 11 pairs of low cut socks. Alright, and as you can see here, $15 for 15 socks. That's the front, this is the back. Alright, let's open this up. Yep. Alright, cool. There you go. That's what you see whenever you open inside. 15 days. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Seekers. You know what? There's so much. I don't know a lot about Harry Potter. I know there's a huge fan base on Harry Potter. And you can find just about anything. But this one is Hufflepuff. I like it. Black and yellow. There's your little symbol. Alright, that's the first one. Second one is Slytherin. That's pretty cool. Right there on the bottom. It says Slytherin. Yeah, I like that. There's one Seeker. Yeah, that's the little ball on it. You know, I can't even read what that says. Let me see. Ravenclaw. Cool. Nice color. I'm not a huge fan of Harry Potter, but I think I can give this to a couple of people I know that's a big fan of. Here's another one. I think that's Ravenclaw again. That. I'm assuming because I see the little raven on there. Gryffindor. Oh, looks pretty tight. On this. Can you see that? It says Gryffindor? Yep. Cool. Kind of like how they did with the Slytherin one. What's that? Oh. Alright, Harry Potter's jersey number. What does it say on there? You can barely see it, but it says Harry on there. Barely see it. And then of course the number. Alright, Seeker. Yeah, what's that? Almost looks like this one. Yeah, just different colors. This one's like has yellow and this one has red. That's okay. Still different. Yeah, but they got 3 of the same. Is that another Seeker? This one says Keeper. Okay. This is another Gryffindor. Yep, Gryffindor. These look like pretty fancy socks. Almost like a university sock. Another Raven. Ravenclaw. I like that color. Blue and black, gray. I'll probably be wearing these a lot. Probably keep these. I don't think I'm gonna give them out. What's that? Chaser. If we can get in there. Yeah, another chaser. You know what? There you go. It has like the raven on it. Okay. Yeah, I like this color too. Hufflepuff. Same thing. Both sides. I don't think I did that with the other ones. I think I have two more. Another Gryffindor. This one's pretty cool. Has the line on there. It's Slytherin. That's pretty cool. Has a little snake on there. Alright. Well, that's all the socks. Yep, that's all of it. There you go. 15 socks for $15. Seriously, not a bad deal. You can buy them out at Walmart till supplies last, because it's pretty much just a holiday thing, and once they're done, you gotta wait until like next year, and it won't be the same pattern. Last time I bought something like this, and it was all different. But anyways, give my channel a like, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and sub. All right, thanks and peace.